Well, hello there, folks. My name is Mark Miles, and as you know, I love helping trainers, presenters, workshop facilitators really take the results to the next level. In today's video, I want to talk to you about the major catalyst for you becoming even better. Now, it's a little bit of a strange catalyst, and you may not even think about this, but it is one word, and I'd love you to grab a pen and write this down because it's the one thing that's really made me a little bit different in the world of presenting and training, and it really accelerated my growth, and it has really activated my mindset to constantly want to get better and really, I guess, accelerate that growth, so to speak, and become super passionate, even, to the point of doing these videos, to the point of writing my book, to the point of, going out there and sharing my message, right? It's the one thing that really ignites my passion, right? And this one thing that I'd love you to grab a pen and write this down on is the word curiosity. Curiosity. Because what we need to appreciate is that master trainers or master experts in whatever field they're in, they are just extremely curious. They are more curious than the average. They're more curious than the person maybe just starting out, or they're more curious than someone just stuck in their ways, so to speak, right? And masters are just super curious and have an insatiable level of curiosity and wonder. And they're always looking to answer this question, why? Why and how? Why and how, right? So average trainers or beginner trainers, they don't even ask the question. They just accept what is for what is, right? But master trainers are always wondering, why did that happen? And how can I make that not happen again, right? So here's the thing, folks. I want to share with you a bunch of questions that will really, spark your curiosity and take your mind to new places of levels of competence or levels of skills in the world of training. Now, absolutely, when you follow this channel, you're going to learn the skills, you're going to learn the tactics, but everything starts with asking the question, why? All right. So let me give you some examples of that, or the core example that really started this out for me, which is way back in I think it was about 2013 there, right, folks? So for me, I started out as a trainer and I would teach amazing stuff, right? And then the following week, my learners would come back to my workshop. At the time, I was running, yearly long courses there. And the students hadn't remembered what I was actually telling them, what I was actually speaking about, what I was actually training them to do. And my heart broke. And I'm like, why is it that they forgot everything I taught them? Why is it that stuff that I've taught hasn't stuck to them? And I got curious. I'm like, how do I make my content even more memorable? God forbid we actually ask the question, right? How do I make sure my learners, my participants, my audience members, my clients have even faster and more guaranteed results? What a crazy question, right? How do we actually make sure our participants learn or remember what we actually tell them, right? And it got me really curious and on the path of going, how do we make it memorable, right? Now, most people don't even get curious. Most people don't even think about the concept of retention of information, which is surprising to me, but it is what it is, right? But here's a bunch of questions you can start to ask yourself and seeds of curiosity, right? So here's one. I wonder if my laptop will work today, right? I wonder if my laptop will work today. And seed of curiosity is going to lead you to actually check your laptop's working before you deliver your workshop, right? God forbid you checked it, right? Next one. I wonder how the traffic will be, whether that's online traffic, or even driving to your workshop, right? I wonder how the traffic will be. Next one. I wonder how much they will remember from what I tell them today in my workshop. I wonder how much they will remember. Maybe quantify them. I wonder how much they're going to remember. Next question, I wonder how much they're going to forget from what I tell them. God forbid you ask that question, right? I wonder how to make it even more memorable. Great question, right? I wonder how to make it even more relevant for them and their context. Next one. I wonder if they can see my slides. I wonder. Or maybe that'll lead you to actually check if they can see the slides. Next one. I wonder if the online platform I'm going to use today is going to have any technical breakdowns, and I wonder if I need some backups. Good question to ask, right? I wonder what people already know before they come along to my workshop. After that, get curious. I wonder what I'm assuming people know that potentially they don't know. Hmm. I wonder if anyone's going to be delayed today. I wonder if I need some buffer time just in case anyone's delayed. I wonder if everybody's got the link to the workshop. I wonder. Curiosity there. I wonder what else. Oh, this is a good one. I wonder what else is going on for people in their lives outside the workshop. I wonder. I wonder why a particular participant is consistently delayed in their arrival. I wonder what else could be going on for them. I wonder if that's their personality. I wonder if that's got nothing to do with the workshop, but other things are going on for them. I wonder. I'm curious about that. I wonder why, when I do X activity or X breakthrough experience, why there's this level of confusion when we do X particular thing. I wonder why people get confused there. I wonder why X thing is a little bit frustrating for people. I'm curious about that. I'm curious as to how I could alleviate some of that frustration. I'm curious as to why we did this thing and people took away X meaning from that when that's not the meaning I was intending. I'm curious about that. I'm curious on the last day what each person did take away from the workshop event. I'm really curious about that. And last of all, I'm really curious, was transformation happening in the room or not? And if it wasn't, how was I impeding that? Oh, what a question to ask. What a question to ask. Folks, at the end of the day, the more curious we are, the more we can open up the doors to possibilities of change and brand new creation and development for ourselves and development for our learners. But those people, or the people that get stuck in their own ways or stuck in the same ways of doing things, are just the people that lost their curiosity. They're like, I'm going to do it the way I've always done it because that's the best way to do it. And I don't need to change in any way, shape, or form because I'm perfect and I'll never get any better. And this is the best it's always going to be. Having said that, that's one model of the world. But if we go to a growth mindset, folks, everything happens, or every piece of change happens from that spark of curiosity. On that note, folks, hope you got some value from the video. Always stay curious. Always look to speak to be remembered and to create that transformation in the room. Thanks for watching, team. And there, it's going to happen in the room, but also happen outside the room. And in the room, you may create moments of catalyst, and it may happen outside the room, but you are always looking to create that transformation, whether in the room or beyond your workshop. On that note, folks, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.